Hey YouTubers, welcome to another episode of VGL Tech. Today we have another backpack. It's from Knack, K-N-A-C-K. As you can see, here's the box. You can also see there's some Fortnite stuff in the background. My kids are really into Fortnite, so they wanted me to mount something as a background image. So let's get started. So this is another backpack that I saw very interesting. It's from knackbags.com. It looked like it met the requirements that I needed in a backpack. So if you saw my previous email, I also got the Key Smart bag. I decided to get this one also to test it out. So here we go. We have my trusty cutting knife. Very sharp. Opens up, and as you can see, it looks like it's in a backpack shape. It's not a full square, perfect square. It looks, the box even takes the shape of the bag. First off, we have here a thank you note. And we have some features. So let's open this up. I probably should have used my trusty knife for that one. It says here, get to know your bag. We have a sticker right here, Knack. One bag for life. It says get to know your bag. As you can see, the bag enables you to expand it. So you have a regular flat, and then if you unzip it, it expands even deeper to put like clothes and stuff. And then you can also pull out the straps to form a backpack, and also pull out the buckle for the hip part. Oh, but it's for, the buckle is only for the larger backpack. I got the medium backpack, so I didn't think I needed a larger one. As you can see here, you have a phone pocket, main pocket, passport ID holder in the front, a cord compartment in the bottom, which I like. You also have a sunglass pocket, a side computer laptop pocket, a water bottle pocket, and the hidden suitcase, which is the feature that I wanted to see. And as you can see here, you can follow them on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and Pinterest. So let's get the box out of the way. And move towards the bag. I'm gonna adjust my camera so that you can see more of the bag. Which I know you guys, or girls, want to see more of the Fortnite stuff. There we go. Nice bag holder, used for probably hold your laundry whenever you're traveling with that extra space, extra compartment. So they do come in different colors. I picked black. So as you can see here, this is the bag. Cushion feels very nice, very soft, very nice. So let's look at all the compartments. We'll look at the main compartment, which is this part right here. This is the main compartment. Take out all this stuff. This is the main compartment. As you can see, it's pretty big. You can hold a tablet right here. A little see-through mesh right here. You can hold wires or computer stuff. You can also hold stuff right here in the front of the pocket. a little mesh right here. What else is in here? That's about it in there. Nice bright color so you can see what you have in there. We also have this compartment right here, which is your sunglass compartment. And you put it in here, protect it. There's a nice soft material in here to prevent your sunglasses from scratching, and they also have another pocket in here to possibly put other stuff like your wallet or stuff. There's also this compartment right here, which holds your pins. Holds your pins right here, some credit cards, ID cards, notebooks, notepads, and some other stuff in here. It's pretty spacious right here too. If you need to just put some documents in here, it'll fit also. You can see here the zippers go all the way up in here, so you have to hide them. And as you can see, this is the Knack logo, and you have the word Knack down here also. Next up, you have the bottom compartment stuff. As you can see here, you can hold cables, power supplies, anything. Pretty much anything. It's pretty big, so you can pretty much hold a lot of stuff in there. So next up we have a water bottle compartment, or some type of other compartment. Pretty big for larger size water bottles. Well, not large, but longer size water bottles. Next up we have let's look at the side laptop compartment. Ooh. Oh, no, that's not the laptop compartment. The laptop compartment's right here. As you can see, the laptop compartment is pretty big. It looks like it can hold at least 15-inch, maybe 17, I'm not sure. Pretty big size. And then also on the back right here, you have that's where the straps are. So let's go towards the extra compartment first. So what you would do is you unzip here. As you can see, here we have an extra compartment to where you can store right here. And you go on a day trip somewhere, you can store socks, underwear, shirts in here. Here, put your stuff in here, lock it down. So it's pretty much an extra compartment in there. Very nice, very nice. Everything is pretty much protected. And then you would expand it with this zipper right here. As you can see here, expanded it out to make the bag bigger. Make the bag bigger, and then you can store all your clothes and stuff in here now. So I would go in here. Store all my clothes. There's a big, it's deeper now for shirts and clothing and stuff. Let's close it on that. Close that up, and I'll close the extra compartment up since I don't really need it right now. There we go. And the extra compartment zipper is also hidden as you can see, you can hide it right there, like this one little extra, not sure what it is, to cover up the zipper for the extra compartment for the to expand the space. You can carry it like just a bag only, like you showed in the drawing. So now you can tuck the straps in here. As you can see, these are the backpack straps. And then they would connect right here. Like that. And like that. And you also have a waist strap right here. And there you have it. What I do see missing is they could have put maybe a card right here, a slip right here for a card, or right here to put like your bus pass or something. Not a deal killer. Would have been another nice feature. But overall, it seems very sturdy. Seems like it can hold a lot of space. So I'm gonna test it out and see how it goes. But here you have it. This is the Knack backpack, medium size. I will put a link in there where you can purchase. They also have a larger backpack, and here you go. They also have a larger one. And hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment and enjoy your day. Thanks everybody. Bye.